Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez from Masigri Channel, a free dealer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of March 4 hanggang March 10 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advice, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos of Directors. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw, na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancer. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mga hanggilap? So guys, tunghayan at bulabugin natin. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Okay, there's a 5 of Wands. So there's a something competition, competitors. Maraming mga bagay na nagbibigay komplikasyon, no? Sa lahat ng plano or gagawin mong actions, no? And there's a Devil card. Oh my God. Meron talagang humakad lang at may gumagawa talaga ng eksena para hindi mo ito makuha, no? May umaharang. What is additional messages? And there is something the lovers, no? Especially then about sa love life. Kaya hindi ka rin nagkakajowa. Or either kaya nagkakaroon ng something ghosting. Ghosting about sa jowa mo, about sa partner mo, about sa asawa mo. Now, let's see what is additional messages. So, this is the 3 of Wands. Waiting for a result, waiting for a ship. Now, may mga hinihintay kang resulta or something document, papers, no? Additional messages. So, this is the King of Wands, something ambition. Now, lagi mong titignan yung magiging possibilities. Now, look at the bigger picture. Now, bago pa mangyari ito, kailangan titignan mo na kagad yung magiging advantage and disadvantage. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? Represent with the Four of Pentacles for saving money, protect your power, protect your energy. So, kailangang proteksyonan mo at pangalagaan mo kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka ngayon. Now, let's see what is the 5 of Wands. The 5 of Wands represent what? Represent with the 8 of Wands. So, there's something fast communication and fast movement. So, maaaring bumilis ang takbo ng eksena, sitwasyon, or there's a lot of transaction. No, pero ang nangyayari kasi dito, maraming mga message dito na maaaring nagkakaroon ng delays and cancellations, no? Kumbaga tuloy-tuloy dito yung cancel, tuloy-tuloy din yung mga hindi magagandang approach or something transactions or messages sa phone calls, no? Let's see what is the Devil card. Reference with the 10 of Pentacles. No, there's something dito na ang lakas ng dito, ng energy with a negative with your family, no? Maaring minaharang nito yung makukuha mo, mana, no? There is something inheritance ako nakikita. Okay, so let's see what is the lovers. Represent with the 4 of Wands, sa celebration, no? Meron din akong wedding, nakikita, wedding, celebrations, family gathering. What is the 3 of Wands? Represent with the Magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na mamamanifest, no? Makukuha. What is the King of Wands? There is a 10 of Cups with the happiness. So, magiging masaya ka dito sa kalalabasan nito. No, may mga delays na nangyari dito, but there's something beautiful na magaganap. Or there's something beautiful disaster. May nasira, pero maganda pa rin yung kahihinatnan niya. Let's see what is the 4 of Pentacles. 4 of Pentacles represent with a Tower moment for a major changes. Malaki din ang pagbabago magaganap, even your finances. No, pangalagaan, proteksyonan. Let's see what is the 5 of Wands request the 8 of Wands. Represent with the Emperor. Maging mature ka, no? Sa mga nangyayari sa'yo. No, there's a lot of transaction coming in for especially with the travel. No, may mga mag-iisilbing komplikasyon kaya mag-ingat ka, wag ka nag-share ng thoughts and any information, no? Kasi hinaharang or mayroon ditong inggitera with the evil eye. What is the devil? Because the Ten of Pentacles. Referencing with the Nine of Cups. There's something an offer. Sabi ko na na huwag ka nagkukwento. Especially with your family. Merong inggitera dyan sa pamilya mo. There is a Ten of Pentacles. There is a Lovers because the Four of Wands represent what? With the Page of Swords. There is a spying, looking, watching at you. No? May sumusubaybay sa'yo dito. Or either kailangan kilalanin mo muna tong tao na to kung talagang gusto mo siya. What is the Three of Wands? Because the Magician. Referencing with the Nine of Wands. No, there's something slowly but surely, no? Mabagal man pero sigurado makukuha mo tong bagay na to. No, there's something in the offer na maaaring gusto hinihintay mo, no? Let's see what is the King of Wands because the Ten of Cups. There's a Six of Swords with the transition. Unti-unti ka na rin makakalis sa situation. No, unti-unti ka na makakalaya sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. And there's a Knight of Swords with the Success Driven. No, unti-unti ka na rin magtatagumpay dito. What is the outcome? There's an Empress card for reverse. So, maaaring bubuhayin yung katawan lupa mo dito. Maaaring this is the moment para baguhin na, no, yung mga nakagisnan mo. No, parang ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para makabawi ka na sa sarili mo. And there's a Hermit card, spiritual awakening or spiritual enlightenment. Magliliwanag din dito about sa spirituality, lahat ng kamalasan, lahat ng mga nangyayari ditong kumbaga kababalaghan, unti-unti mo matutuklasan. Additional messages about sa finances and career. There's a Strength card, confident. Kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo, maging matapang ka. Dahil marami ka pang bagay na maguguluhan. No? Hindi mo pa lubos na unawaan ngayon. There's a Hierophant. There's a something hidden agenda. No? Marami ka pang bagay bagay o nakatago na unti-unti mo nang malalantad. No? And there's an Ace of Cups. No? There's something an offer din about sa finances na related about sa love life. May there's something change of ship, no? May malaking pagbabago na mangyayari dito pagdating sa finances mo. Etong tao na to yung magpapabago nito, kaya kailangan lakasan mo ng loob mo. No, dahil itong tao na to maaring hindi mo pa siya nakikilala. Malaking magiging ambag niya sa buhay mo. What is additional messages about sa love life? So, there's a Three of Cups. No? There's a third party involved. And there's a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. No? Meron din daw dito magiging masaya ka. Sa likod ng bagay na to, lahat ng hinintay mo, there's something consequences. No? There's a paying off. Nakita ko about sa love life dito. Ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para makabawi na, no? Para sa lahat na nangyari sa yung sakit, betrayal. So, this is the moment na magiging masaya ka na. About naman tayo sa health. There is a Queen of Swords and look at the bigger picture na magiging maganda na rin yung kalusugan basta iwasan mo yung mga bawal sa'yo. No? Pangalagaan mo at proteksyonan mo yung mental health mo. Na masyado ka nag-iisip dito. Additional messages with the magical fire messages represent what? Magical fairy messages represent walking away. So, kailangan mo na makawala sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. Leave the unstressful situation behind. And you got your wishes granted, no? At yung mga pangarap mo, lahat ng mga gusto mo maaaring matupad na. And admit your true feelings to yourself, no? Iwasan mo magpanggap sa sarili mo. Maging totoo ka. Be authentic with yourself. What is the synchronicity to represent what? 4 synchronicities represent a wheel of fortune. There's something good luck, no? Talagang maaaring iikot na yung kapalaran sa'yo, maaaring pumabor na sa'yo yung sitwasyon, and there's a wildness, no? Magiging mabagsik at magiging malakas ka ngayon. Or magiging palaban ka ngayon. Additional messages with a yin and yang oracle card. And there's a loss, no? Maraming mga bagay na aalisin sa'yo. And there's a feminine, guys, there's a feminine ako nakita dito. It's a big transformation sa sarili mo. No? From losyang to being fresh. Let's see what is the Romance Angels for a Mystic Love Oracle deck. Represent what? Enemy. No? There's a watcher back, no? Sa iyong relasyon, sa iyong kumbaga pag-ibig, no, laging merong extra. No, there's a spiritual awakening. No, magkakaroon ka ng realization din dito about sa love life. And there's an healing, guys, na magkakaroon ka rin ng healing. Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. And there is a guarded and protected. No? Protektado at ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit dito. Innocent. No? Maaring wala kang kamalay-malay. Innocent ka. And there's a God is in charge. No? Ang ating Panginoong ginagabayan ka. No? Ibig sabihin dito, laging nasa likod at laging nasa paligid mo lang ang ating Panginoon. Ginagabayan ka sa lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay mo. For Romance Angels. Pero may mga bagay na gusto niyang ipaalam sa iyo na kailangan mo matutunan nito on your own. Give your relationship a chance. Na pagdating sa love life, kailangan mong bigyan ng pagkakataon ng pag-ibig, no? And for forgiving and learning, kailangan mong magpatawad, kailangan mo ring matuto. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a service. No, some of you guys services ng trabaho or public servant. No, there's a grip, no? There's just something losses. It's an opportunity to appreciate things, no? Maraming bagay na nawawala or may mga bagay na lilisan, no, inaalis sa'yo. Pero kailangan magpasalamat ka kasi may mga bagay dyan na instrument ng ating Panginoon para hubugin ka, kaya yan inaalis kasi it's a God purpose. May gusto siyang ipakita sa'yo na kung paano mo halagaan yung mga bagay na inaalis niya o yung mga bagay na inaalis niya na kailangan mong makita kung ano ibig sabihin nun. No? Additional messages with an angel's answer. As your angels, no? Kailangan mong humingi ng gabay sa ating angel spirit. And no need to worry. Hindi mo kailangan mangamba. Basta, wag kang hihinto. Magpatuloy ka. Don't stop. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's an all tied up. All path lead home with intuitions, no? Kumbaga sundin mo ang sinasabi ng gut feeling mo. And there's a call with something, it's time to step up, no? Ito yung panahon ng pagkakataon para magising ka na, no? Sa lahat ng mga karanasan, mga pinagdaanan mo. Kailangan mong matuto, maliwanagan sa lahat na nangyayari na it's a part of spiritual journey. What is additional messages for the chakra messages? And there's a soulmate. Some of you may soulmate connection dito. And there's a creations, no? You can create your situation and you have the power to change it, no? Kayang-kaya mong maging creator sa sarili mong buhay. No? Kayang-kaya mong paikutin, kayang-kaya mong baguhin yung mundong ginagalawan mo. Magtiwala ka lang sa sarili mo. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a transformation with the magic, guys. No, malaking pagbabago talaga magaganap dito. No, there's something adult with happiness. Enjoy your love from the fullest. And there's a winning moon with a self-inventory. Mas papalawigin at papalakihin to. At pag-uunlarin ng sarili mo dito. What is Archangel Raphael messages? And there's a give as your care. So, ibig sabihin dito, kung maghahayaan mo ang ating mga gabay na tulungan ka, no, para pakawalan yung mga nagbibigay negatibo at nagbibigay, kumbaga, pasakit sa iyong damdamin, no? Hayaan mo ang ating gabay na ipakita sa iyo kung ano yung kailangan mong malaman at maunawaan. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Energy healing. So, kailangan mo ng healing talaga dito, guys. No? And there's a school, a lesson. Marami kang bagay na dapat pang matutunan. Formonsology represent what? The time to breathe out. No? Kailangan mo ng oras, no? Para huminga. And this is something, a new romantic cycle begin. Magsisimula na panibagong cycle pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. For the energy represent what? Door to spirit. No? Bukas ang pintuan pagdating sa spiritual. Diba? And there's an anxiety. Nagkakaroon ka ng worries, depressions, that because of your overthinking and being paranoid. And there's a strategy. Now, gamitin mo strategiya to para makapag-create ka ng mga bagong ideas. Let's see what is the Jesus-loving quote said. What is the Jesus-loving quote said? What things soever you desire when you pray, believing that you receive them, and you shall have them. So see, lahat daw ng mga bagay na inaasam mo, pinapangarap mo, kung pinagdasal mo to at naniniwala ka na makukuha mo at ipagkakalob sa iyo, ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Diba? A power of prayer. Let's see what is the angel's number represent what? Represent with 11 by your intuitions, no? Palawigin, palakihin ang iyong intuition para makita mo ang mga nilalaman ng mensahe ng ating gabay. Time to implement long cherished ideas. You are on the right track. Excuse me. Towards making your dreams and ambition into reality. The right people, circumstances, and resources are being sent your way. Happiness and new opportunities are on hand. Trust in the process. So, kailangan mo magtiwala sa tamang proseso. Di ba, huwag ka masyado magmadali. Kumalma ka, matuto ka maghintay, matuto kang pakiramdaman yung mga bagay, tao sa sitwasyon mo. Lalo na yung mga nasa paligid mo. Additional messages of life. I discover who I am, no? Dito mo makikita ang totoong kalaganan sa sarili mo. Today, I discover the riches that lie within me. I acknowledge my true strength. I see myself as unlimited being, and I marvel and beauty of my life. I recognize the wealth of the possibilities available to me as a being of the light. As I turn who I am, I recognize the divine with me. Alam mo sa sarili mo, no? Doon natuklasan mo na kasama ka at bahagi ng ating Panginoon yung mga bagay na kailangang matutunan sa buhay mo. Unti-unti mo natutuklasan sa sarili mo na mayroong kang purpose sa buhay mo. No? Kaya lahat ng to ay nangyayari, no? So guys, this is the special gabay for the month of March 4 hanggang March 10. For the sign of Cancer. So, Cancer, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.